Smoothies for Good's mission is to get families set up to blend healthy meals. Each family identified will receive a smoothie kit that includes a top quality blender from NutriBullet, nutritious and delicious recipes, along with protein powder from Sun Warrior, and other ingredients to make healthy smoothies. Smoothies for Good is a recipe for a healthy life. We've partnered with an incredible organization called Solutions for Change that has been transforming lives and helping families break the cycle of homelessness for 2 decades.
We are Solutions for Change. We are a 1,000-day program for families who are coming out of homelessness. And they come to our program and they go through classes and learning goals to really equip them to break the generational cycle of homelessness and be independent. So they cover different classes from financial education to parenting, and we get to see our families just really blossom and succeed as they graduate from this program with full-time jobs, with goals for their family, and with their kids back in their home.
We got to deliver our first 5 smoothie kits to families at Solutions for Change. They were so excited to get their smoothie kits and couldn't wait to start making some delicious recipes. In fact, this was a photograph of one of the recipes that we got from someone at Solutions for Change that very evening after she received her smoothie kit. We got also, the next day, we got some of the most beautiful thank you notes from the families that received the kits. Getting these notes made me realize that a smoothie kit isn't just a one-time gift. It's a gift that keeps on giving. It's an opportunity to help families to be healthier, to get more plant-based foods, to make quick and easy and nutritious meals on the go. So if you want to give the gift that keeps on giving, consider making a donation to Smoothies for Good. Your donation goes directly to Solutions for Change, which is a 401c nonprofit, so your entire donation will be tax deductible. Thanks so much to NutriBullet for donating blenders to us for our first 5 kits, and also to Sun Warrior for the amazing protein powders. We want to continue to build more smoothie kits for families. So thank you so much for donating to Smoothies for Good. Every dollar goes towards building smoothie kits for families.